Hello friends, I'm Christopher and welcome to this week's update on the master bedroom renovation.
Oh wow, look at that!
Content-wise, it might not seem like much, but it's a pretty big moment. It's the end of the phase that I was least looking forward to. I'm done with like the structural room stuff. So this was patching holes, plaster work, fixing cracks, taking down wallpaper, and then painting. And this past week, we got 2 coats of the dark green accent wall finished, and just 1 coat of gray, plus little touch-ups on the rest of it. Man, my technique really improved this last month for painting. I tell you what, all the edge work and stuff was done without tape, except I did tape along the floor just for splatter purposes and stuff as I dragged my drip cloth along. So that's pretty satisfying. And we really like how it looks. I know you're seeing some B-roll footage of the paint going on and stuff. The walls look different at different times of the day because of how the light tracks, We've got these 2 eastern windows and 1 southern window, so we get this beautiful arc of sunshine throughout the day. So there are different tones that come out of the walls now, as you would imagine. You see I put the new bedspread on just to give a different feel so you can see some of the gray and the green. I'm really very satisfied. It was a lot of tedious work, a lot of painting. This is a big room, and it feels good to be done. My right thumb at this moment is pretty numb because I just got done scraping the floor with my mineral spirits, getting rid of any kind of splatter, and interestingly enough, a lot of old paint from the teal walls that we did 8 years ago. It's done, feels good. And that's really it as far as this work is concerned. So let me tell you about the future. When I come to you next week, I think that video is exclusively going to be talking about design. We're going to talk about a little bit about colors. I'm going to talk about the design of the bed frame and headboard that I'll be building, the design for the end tables, the design for the wardrobe, the design aesthetic for the rug. We bought a great big 10 by 14 area rug. We'll talk about potentially finishing or refinishing the chaise lounge or building something new, that kind of stuff. And the week after that, I should have probably a bed frame to show you. And no, the video will not be sponsored by Casper Mattress or Lisa Mattress, right? Whenever you look at YouTube to find a video of like how to build a bed frame, so many of them were sponsored by Casper or sponsored by Lisa. So, not what we went with. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the B-roll, and I'm done doing shorts now. Got a video coming up on that, analyzing that experience. It was real interesting. Follow the playlist if you want to see more. It's going to be a good week next week. Take care. Stay warm, guys.